how do I know if my RDS instance is experiencing a bottleneck,
Yes, this is an
storage
interesting
bottleneck?
question. Yep, because usually this is one of the things that it's mostly overlooked by everybody, really. Because when you want to decide if your database instance is running correctly, what you usually look are the metrics that Kate right now has shown to you. So CPU utilization, free able memory, but usually the storage is one of the pieces that are, I would say, as important as the CPU utilization. And you should be sure that your database instance are using the optimal storage type. Because if you are unsure about all this, you could face a lot of issues on the storage. For example, the storage bottlenecks. So basically, what is a storage bottleneck and how it can happen? So basically, storage bottleneck, it happens when the number of IOPS, so the input and output operations per second, you need to think about IOPS like in a simple terms, like queries that you execute in your database instance. So when the number of IOPS that the database instance receives exceeds the capacity that the storage system can handle, basically what you have provisioned in your storage layer is where things can start going slow. So, for example, if you have like a storage layer that only supports quite low IOPS, you could see that your database is starting to slow down, even having your CPU utilization level low. For example, you could see, okay, my CPU utilization is 30%, 40%. So, okay, it seems that everything is right, but everything is slowing down. So this is why it's really important to check the storage layer.